How to share screen on Microsoft Teams for Android. One of the important features of Microsoft Teams is the share screen. One of the important features of Microsoft Teams is the share of a screen. Even if you have Microsoft Teams on your Android phone, you can still share the screen. To share the screen on your phone, first you will need to open the Teams app. After that, you need to start a new meeting. You can create a new meeting by going to the chat and calling somebody or a group. Also, you can start a meeting on the Meeting tab. Let me start a call. To start the screen share on Microsoft Teams on Android, tap on the three dots menu. From the menu, select Share. You can share a photo, a video, share PowerPoint, and share a screen. Let's select Share Screen. When you share the screen the first time, you will need to allow Teams to display over other apps. So put this to On. Now let's go back to the Microsoft Teams app from the phone. Tap on Start Now. The screen sharing is started. After this, you can end the share of the screen by tapping Stop Presenting from the Teams app. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.